Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered really what happens when you run the Java program? You will write your program right, you will write a Java program and you will get a output right. How you are getting an output, what are the process is happening behind the scene, what do you think, how your program is going to be run? Is it magic or is there any powerful engine behind the scene? In this video, I will break down how Java works, include the roles of the JDK, JRE and JVM in a way that's super easy to understand whether you are a beginner or preparing for the interview. This is the must known concepts. Let's dive in. You will write a Java code, right? You will write a Java code and you will get output, right? How we are getting an output? Or how the computer is understanding your program and giving an output. Here we can see that three stages are there to get an output. You are writing your code, right? That code you are storing in .java class file, right? .java file, right? This is your source code and the compiler here comes into the picture. This your source code is compiled by the compiler and it is going to return one file that is in the form of .class file. In that you can see that you will be get an bytecode. Then this bytecode can be run by the JRE and combined with JVM. So you are returning your code, that is source code. It is compiled by the compiler and it will return .class file. It consisting of the bytecode. Then your JRE and JVM will comes into the picture and it is responsible for running your code and you will get an output. This is how you will get an output and how the computer will understand that one and return an respective output. These are the three stages and let's go what are the components are there. Means we can see the three components are there. Let's take one picture. Here you can see the three parts, means three components, right? Outermost is the JDK. JDK means something big, okay? Then JRE, then JVM. Let's see each component and what it is going to be do. Let's take a quick view. Okay, JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. It is one kind of software development kit required to develop your Java application. It is responsible for writing your Java applications and developing your Java application. It includes the JRE and some of the components development tools like Java C, this is the compiler, and JDB. JDB means Java debugger, and then jar and like interpreter, loader. These things included in the JDK. Essentially, JDK is the superset of JRE. We can say that because it consisting of the JRE and some of the development tools. Let's see what is the JDB means. It is the Java debugger. It is the command line tools used to find and fix the bugs in your Java program. Let's see. You can set the breakpoints and you can convert your program execution. You can control your program execution, like you can run, you can stop, or you can resume that one. So with the help of JDB, you are doing those things. And what it does means it is going to helpful to find and fix your bugs. That's it. What is JAR? JAR, you can see that JAR, Java Archive Tool. What it does means it combines the multiple .class files. Like let's take you are putting something related files together. What you will say? I told you you can put some of the related things together with the help of package, right? Inside that package you can put some of the related class files and some of the related things we can put inside together. It is like a bunch, we can say that. It is combines the multiple .class files and resources like image or text files into one .jar files, that is the Java archive. It is used for packaging the Java application and libraries. These are the things will be provided with the JDK, and it consisting of one more thing like Java P, Java class file, dissembler. Like that, you are having the many things that are related to the development. JDK is superset of JRE. Let's take JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. It is the part of the JDK, but you can download it separately. If you want, you can download the JRE separately, and it will be provide some of the libraries and JVM and other components to run the application. What are the things required to run your Java application? That will be provided by the JRE. It does not have any tools or utilities for your development like compiler. Those things are not included in the JRE. This is about JRE. It is going to provide an environment to run your Java applications. And let's take JVM. JVM is the Java virtual machine. You can say that it is the heart of Java. Yes, it is the heart of Java because it is responsible for running your program. It is actual responsible for running your program, and it is the platform dependent, not a platform independent. You will say, right, Java is a platform independent, right? For that, it is the main important reason. JVM is the main important reason for Java platform independent. Java is the platform independent because of the JVM. Means it is ensures that Java write once run anywhere capacity. It is not a platform independent because for different OS you are having the different JVM. JVM is the platform dependent. Java is the platform independent. JVM is the platform dependent. For Windows you can see different JVM. For Linux you can see the different JVM. For different OS you are having the different JVM, and it is the main responsible for executing your bytecode. This takes your .class files, means bytecode, and runs it. Let's take a quick view what we learned today. JDK is for writing and compiling the Java code. Yes, JDK is responsible for writing the code and compiling your Java code, and JRE is the responsible for running your Java code, but JVM is must required to run the Java code. It is actual code execution happen because of the JVM. It is going to provide an environment, but actual running is happening because of the JVM. We can say that. This is about JDK, JRE and JVM, how your program is executing and what is happening behind your screen and how backend is working. This is about those things. If you have any doubts or if you need more in-depth notes or details, let me know in comments. See you in the next